Hello, this is my living room. It's not as clean as I would like because we're in the middle of a remodel, as you can see. But I just wanted to show you around. Rascal, say hello. That's Rascal's spot. Come in my little area. See, I love this. The girls at work made that for me. Danielle and Sam. The work area. Oh, and here's Rylan. Hi, Ry. Hi. Hi. Say hi. Say my mommy passed away a month or so ago. And there's Nosy. The new floor looks amazing. Hallway. Kitchen's a little bit messy too because gotta keep stuff somewhere. I like this little corner. The reading corner. Oops, there it goes. You be nice. He thinks he's big and bad. Okay, there it is, the living room. I love it here. Okay, bye guys. Oh, wait. Froggy. Marley. Say bye. Bye guys.